Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare on PC with a controller. First, connect your favorite controller, like a PlayStation or Xbox gamepad, to your PC. You can use a USB cable or Bluetooth. Your computer should automatically recognize it and install any needed drivers. Then, launch Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Head straight into the game's settings menu. Make sure the game correctly identifies your controller as the main way you'll be playing. This ensures a smooth start to your gaming session. Once your controller is recognized, dive into the Controller tab within the game's options. This is where you can truly make the controls your own. Adjust the sensitivity for both horizontal and vertical aiming until it feels just right for you. Don't forget to experiment with the different aim assist types available, such as standard or precision, to discover what enhances your accuracy the most. You can also remap button layouts to create a personalized control scheme that perfectly suits your combat style. To truly excel, practice advanced movement techniques like slide canceling and jump shotting. These offer significant tactical advantages. Make sure to use tactical sprint effectively to quickly move across the map and reposition during intense firefights. Mastering weapon recoil control is also key. Gently adjust your aim downwards during sustained fire to stay on target. Finally, always communicate actively with your team using a headset for coordinated strategies and precise callouts, giving you an edge in every match. For the best experience, always keep your controller's firmware and your PC's graphics drivers updated. This ensures optimal performance and stability. It's also a good idea to close any background applications to free up system resources, leading to smoother gameplay. Consider using a wired connection for your controller whenever possible. This minimizes input lag and ensures reliable responsiveness. Lastly, regularly clean your controller to prevent issues like stick drift and maintain excellent button responsiveness over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.